All right. Well, I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but our futures account challenge, trying to build up and pass the funded, it's already over. I beat it today. Technically, it's more than 50% of my profits, but I made 4K today, so I felt like there's no point in continuing it if we're already at our profit goal. But I'm gonna do you one better. What I'm gonna do is on my Discord, which as always my Instagram is in the bio. You could add me and DM me, and I will add you to the Discord, send you the link, whatever you want to do. Next week, starting Monday the 25th through Friday the 29th, we will be doing live trading every single morning. So in the morning, gonna wake up, get a nice little look at everything, analyze the markets around 8:30, and then try to catch moves from the New York AM session, possibly even lunch, possibly even PM. We're without a doubt doing New York AM, and then probably ending stream around 10 or 11, and then dipping and then coming back. We'll be doing this. I'm gonna live stream it to YouTube, and I'm also gonna be in the Discord call. So yeah, very exciting. But I just want to show you guys what I did today to get this beautiful move. So first of all, we had a huge move in our Asia session. We have these highs and lows marked out, which lucky enough the indicator does for us anyway. So we had these highs and lows, and then we never really like that Asia has a lot of price action. If there's a lot of price action in Asia, that means we're usually looking to avoid New York AM because there's a lot of chop, and chop there was. We had up and down displacement. This is the 5 minute, by the way. But we had this huge move from London, and then London was mooning up to here on 5 minute. I was looking for any recent sweeps on liquidity. We had this from New York AM on Friday. But there wasn't really any significant sweep except maybe this one if you wanted to catch this candle. So what I actually did was I took some small trades. I took two very small trades in New York AM, just to test out a new strategy. I'm looking to really implement into my day to day. But they were both winners. One was a $50, one was a 60. I went very, very small just so I could test it, but they were both great movers. But here, let me show you the move that made me 4 bands in one day, and what made me now have to do a new challenge. Which, by the way, that's a whole point of the live stream, is we're gonna get funded traders. If you're looking to buy a funded account, like a Top Step account, like I have, and you want to get funded, you just want to start trading, you don't have enough money to start yourself, we're about to set you up. So if you're looking to have 50K buying power right in your hands, we can help you next week. So really, really, it would be a good idea to join our little session because I think it could really help. So here is the move that I did. So we're on the 1 minute chart here now. Using daily bias, I figure that, with Asia making such a good move, there was going to be accumulation in the London, which I would say there was for the most part. And then it was going to be choppy price action, which once again, there were multiple moves that you could have caught, and I caught a few, but then lunch was sort of an inverse, it was downside. So immediately I'm thinking, okay, we got to go bullish here in New York PM just based on daily price action. So the trade that I took, this is US 30, as I said, is I found that we were sweeping lows, this new high-low here. And if you go back here, it had been holding up with these three. So immediately I knew I had solid liquidity on my side. We had this huge bear run, and I was looking for a inverse of a fair value gap. And here we have this very tiny one. Very, very tiny inverse fair value gap, right? So with this fair value gap, what I did was I said, okay, if we could get strength to inverse through this, we can enter longs. I have my bullish bias, so I'm going to enter longs. We inverse through with this candle, hopped in, and rode this guy all the way to the promised land. And then right here, I literally couldn't have taken profits at a higher time. And you may be like, all right, how did you know to take profits there? If you mark where I took profits, you could see that was where a sweep had happened in New York AM. It was where price was consolidating a lot. is where the last decline in price was happening. So I put this line right here as a mark for profits to take. It was actually a little bit below. So I was able to get out with this last candle, and then what happened right after? Liquidity came in and took it back to the downside for a nice little dip. So all in all, we caught this insane move. If you want to get out your rulers, all in all, it's about 40, 41 bars. Pretty fantastic move. Obviously a huge gainer, and I call out plays like this all the time in the Discord, and next week with live trading. It's going to be rats. We're going to be getting one of those every single day. So, we could possibly get you funded, by the end of Wednesday, and then Thursday and Friday even make you some real hard-earned money. So, join the Discord. We're going to get you logged. But that is how I made 4 bands today trading futures. And you can too if you join the Discord in the description. Shameless plug. It's free to join. I give free options callouts. I give trade ideas. There's bots in there that can help you. There's other people who are beginners trying to learn. There are people who know what they're talking about who are trying to assist. It's a very good community, and I am the leader of it. So if you're ever looking for just a group of people who really enjoy trading, then, by all means, hop in and we will get you right. So thank you for watching. And also, last thing, thank you for the egregious, the support on the last video. Sorry, I was watching MMA. 76 now and 1.6 views. Absolutely crazy. We were smashing our previous. So, I just want to say thank you. We're at, probably almost 2,000 views on the channel right now and only 8 videos and almost 80 subs. So I'm hoping we could get to 100 subs and, 5,000 channel views by the end of the school year. If that could happen, that'd be beautiful. So yeah, see you guys. Hopefully tomorrow I could give a little update on some trades I'm doing, but I'm not starting a new funded account until the 25th because we're going to do it really together. Because, I hate doing the YouTube live updates because then you guys don't get my trades, but I want you guys to profit off the same trades that I'm taking. Once again, completely free. So, yeah, thank you, and I will see you guys later.